If you're serious about woodworking construction or DIY home projects, a powerful and precise table saw is an absolute must-have. In today's video, we're checking out the best table saws you can get on Amazon right now, built for performance, accuracy, and portability. Whether you're a professional contractor or a weekend woodworker, these picks will take your projects to the next level. Number 1. SKILSAW Table Saw. The SKILSAW 10-inch heavy-duty worm drive table saw is a powerhouse designed for serious woodworkers. You'll love the legendary worm drive powertrain, which delivers incredible torque, providing an aggressive 3.5/8-inch depth of cut and a massive 31/2-inch rip capacity. Whether you're tearing through thick plywood or slicing 4X material, this saw handles it with ease and precision. The rack and pinion system enables fast and smooth fence adjustments, ensuring your cuts remain accurate every time. Plus, SKIL's patented dual-field motor runs cooler for longer, letting you power through tough jobs without slowing down. It's built on a rugged, rolling stand with 16-inch wheels that can easily go upstairs and across rough job sites. You'll also appreciate the outfeed and left support, making it easy to manage larger cuts on your own. If you want professional-grade performance and durability, the SKILSAW Table Saw is ready to deliver. Number 2. DOVAMAN Dustless Table Saw. The DOVAMAN Dustless Table Saw combines raw power with precision and a cleaner workspace. With a 15-amp motor and a blazing 5,000 RPM cutting speed, you'll slice through wood effortlessly, whether you're building furniture or tackling DIY projects. What really stands out is its 98% efficient dust collection system, keeping your area clean and your air breathable. You can even connect a vacuum for quick cleanup. The saw delivers an 8.5-inch crosscut depth at 90 degrees and an adjustable miter from 0D to 45D, giving you full flexibility for angled cuts. Its 60-tooth carbide-tipped blade ensures every cut is clean and accurate. Safety is also top-notch with a transparent blade guard, push stick, and overcurrent protection, so you can work confidently. You'll love the expandable tabletop that stretches from 18.9 to 31.5 inches, giving you more room for larger materials. Plus, all your tools stored neatly on board, no more lost accessories. This is the ideal choice if you want power, safety, and dust-free precision in one compact machine. Number 3. SKIL Portable Jobsite Table Saw. If portability is a priority, the SKIL Portable Jobsite Table Saw is built for you. It's designed with rack and pinion fence rails that keep your fence perfectly parallel to the blade, ensuring fast and accurate cuts every time. The integrated folding stand makes setup and storage super easy. Just fold the legs in and take it wherever you need. You'll also get micro adjustment options for parallel blade alignment, so your cuts are always spot on. This saw can handle material up to 4x4 at 90 degrees and bevel between 0 and 45 degrees using the quick deliver lever. Perfect for a variety of woodworking angles. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to the dust port elbow that directs debris into one container. Whether you're remodeling, framing, or cutting sheet goods on site, the SKIL Portable Jobsite Table Saw combines precision, convenience, and power in one professional package. Number 4. Evolution Table Saw. The Evolution Table Saw is a true all-rounder built with a powerful 15-amp motor and a soft start that delivers maximum torque for cutting through wood, metal, aluminum, and composite materials with ease. The included 10-inch TCT blade makes every cut sharp and clean. You'll enjoy a generous 26-inch rip capacity and 3.3/8-inch depth of cut, making it perfect for sheet materials and large panels. Its dual rack and pinion fence system offers micro-adjustable control, while the geared bevel selector ensures precise angles from 0 to 45 degrees. Designed for portability, the heavy-duty wheeled stand folds quickly and moves smoothly over rough surfaces, and onboard storage keeps all your accessories in one place. Safety is built in with an electronic blade brake, anti-kickback pawls, and a large paddle switch for quick shut-off. If you need a table saw that's versatile, portable, and built for job site demands, the Evolution Table Saw is an excellent choice that delivers performance and peace of mind.
All products pricing and updates mentioned in the video are in the description below. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Stay updated with our excellent product and makes your life much easier. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Have a good day. Thank you.